Wuxi New Building Materials Company Limited was located in Wuxi of Jiangsu Province. We focus on high-end outdoor aluminum PC sunshade products such as carport, window awning, patio canopy, swimming pool enclosure, retractable sunroom, dome house, and so on. Our factory beyond 6,000 square meters with full of advanced equipment and mature production lines. Our Wuxi professional production team has expanded to over 50 people. Your product quality and delivery time are always under well-controlled. To serve customers better, we have built a pretty showroom in our head office, which locates near Shanghai Hongqiao Airport. Your visiting will be much welcomed. Over many years developing, now we sales and production team have many branch companies in all over Chinese main cities to offer direct door-to-door service from 3D free design, professional sales and manufacture to installation and after-sale warranty. Very professional at Cusiana Sunshade Solution and very experienced in multifarious installation site. Our product has been exported to clients in regions as Europe, North and South America, Australia, East Asia, and so on. As every order is 100% fully customized under one-on-one technical support, thousands of families' courtyard life have been redefined. Quality is our culture, and customer and service first. Our products are highly appreciated by customers. We will keep carrying on. Shading sun and rain for the world will always be our great vision.